23 Effective Ways to Make Money Online in 2025. Shopify. Dreaming of earning money from the comfort of your home? 2025 is bursting with opportunities. From dropshipping to digital products, there's never been a better time to start. Stick around for 23 genius ideas that can turn your laptop into a goldmine. Let's dive in. Try dropshipping with Shopify. Set up a store, pick trending products, and let suppliers handle shipping. Or launch print-on-demand products, design shirts or mugs, and sell custom creations without holding inventory. These models are perfect for low-budget entrepreneurs. Are you a pro at something? Teach it. Offer online courses, conduct paid coaching, or sell ebooks. Whether it's fitness, writing, or photography, your expertise is sellable. Platforms like Shopify make content monetization seamless and highly profitable. Why not create niche subscription boxes or monetized YouTube videos? You can also try affiliate marketing by promoting brands you love and earning commissions. The sky's the limit. Stay authentic, and customers will follow. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Your online journey can begin now with Shopify's easy-to-use platform. Whether you're creating or curating, the potential is limitless in 2025. Subscribe, like, or click the link below for a free guide to get started today.